Eric Gay has never seen Blue Gum Place so busy. He's lived in the usually sleepy street for nearly 20 years, but now SCIRT's moved in and work is ramping up.
It's good to see that this area of the northeast of Christchurch is getting things done.
For the last few weeks, SCIRT's Fulton Hogan delivery team has been hard at work upgrading the wastewater system. Servicing 60 properties including the QE2 gymnasium, once complete, this $360,000 underground pump station will be a hard-working machine as it pumps 7 litres of poo every second.
The large hole there is the wet well, that's approximately 5.2 metres deep, and the lower hole where the valve station goes, valve chamber, that will be about 2.5 deep.
When digging that deep, it's not long before you strike water. Levels have risen all over Christchurch since the earthquakes. This crew needed to drain the water so they could keep working.
We put the dewatering system in. We started that up about a week before we started excavating, and we've had that running ever since, and that's drained the water down.
84-year-old John Hecker enjoys watching the pump station start to take shape. He can often be seen popping his head over the fence for a chat about the project.
I clambered up on the fence, had a bit of a step ladder and got up over the fence and looked down, and it's quite deep. I think it's about 5 metres or something, so yeah, it is impressive.
The beauty of an underground pump station is the finished product will end up looking something like this. Below ground is where the action is taking place. No sheet piling was needed, instead a slide rail shoring system minimised the vibrations as the hole was dug, making life easier for the residents.
With Mr Heckler's house being so close to literally 4 metres away from the excavation, sheet piling wasn't an option, so we redesigned and we've used slide rails and beams, which is a new system that we've used, and it's worked really well in this area.
The foundation is soon poured and prepped for the station's structures and supports to arrive. A few days later, and these are also installed, ready for the machinery to be delivered. Of course, this was never going to be news for John. Like the rest of the residents, he's well aware of the plan for his street.
Brilliant. The communication around the project here has been excellent. Everyone that I've spoken to has been very helpful.
In just a few months, the pump station will be finished. New wastewater pipes will then be installed, followed by partial upgrades to the road, footpaths, curb and channel. It's an exciting time for the local residents as SCIRT carries out these much needed repairs.